Imagine editing any image just by describing what you want. No Photoshop skills, no complex tools, just your words. Google has just rolled out an incredible AI update that lets you transform images using simple prompts. From changing backgrounds to adding objects, it's fast, smart, and shockingly easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, where to find it, and why this could be a game changer for creators, designers, and everyday users. Make sure to watch the video from beginning to the end. Subscribe to the channel if today is your first time coming across this video. Turn on the bell notification, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open any browser of your choice, and in the search bar type aistudio.google.com. And click on this link to get access to the website. Once on the website, click on this drop-down arrow. Then scroll down and click on Gemini 2.0 Flash Preview Image. When done, tap on this plus button and choose the Upload Image option, which will direct you to your gallery. Select the image you want from your gallery and click on Done. Then wait for the image to finish uploading. After it has been uploaded, write your prompt and click on this Send button. Wait for some time for the AI to turn your image to what you want based on your given prompt. Please, if you have watched the video to this far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video.